Hi guys, in this video I will teach you on how to screen recording on your phone, iPhone 5, 6 or 7 or Android phone. So let's go. First step is go to your settings and then find the control center, customize controls, and then actually makikita nyo na may screen recording na ako dito, so I'm going to remove it. And then go down, then find the screen recording and then add it, tapos go back to app. So yun na, may screen recording na, and then go back to your settings, then makikita nyo yon, and then go to your control center. Mapapansin nyo na may red button na naka-play na siya. I-click nyo lang siya, tapos magka-count siya na 3, 2, 1, then sa taas makikita nyo may red. So yun, naka-play na siya. To ganyan lang siya ka-easy. So ayun na nga mga guys, ganun lang siya ka-easy. So ayun mga guys, don't forget to hit the button and subscribe my channel. Thank you.